Alright, let's talk Los Angeles, the city where dreams are made, broken, remade, and then turned into a Netflix series. You think you know LA? Palm trees, Hollywood signs, traffic so bad it'd make a monk curse? Sure, but stick around, this place is way weirder, messier, and more magical than the postcards let on. First off, forget the City of Angels thing. Long before Spanish missionaries showed up, the Tongva people called this land home for thousands of years. Then the Spanish rolled in, built missions, and renamed it El Pueblo de Nuestra Señora la Reina de Los Angeles, which, let's be real, got shortened real quick. Hollywood? Originally said Hollywoodland, it was a real estate ad. But LA's not just tinsel and traffic. LA's taco game is unreal. But let's keep it real. We've got LeBron and Shohei Ohtani. LA's a shapeshifter. Earthquakes that knock over your kombucha. We know the real magic's in the chaos. The smell of jasmine blooming at midnight when the city finally slows down for, like, 5 minutes. Peace out.